Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fade in and fade out audio by using keyframes on CapCut PC. You can also do it here actually, but you can also do it in like volume. So you may want to fade in this part and then fade out and then fade in again or whatnot, because you can only do this in the beginning and end of the audio. So here I'm just going to add a keyframe. And for instance, you want to set the volume up really high at the beginning, and then in the middle you're going to want to set the audio lower than that. And then here, for instance, you want to make it high again, loud again, and then quiet, and then loud. And then here it goes super quiet, and then again here it gets louder. But yeah, this is the way you can keyframe audio on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!